Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking prerequisites. Make sure Tool 1v1 0 Plus is installed and executable on your system. Once confirmed, open a plain text editor with UTF-8 encoding and create a new TXT file. You should collect 3 essentials now: a concise sample phrase that represents your goal, the target tone in 1 word, and 1 clear objective. Begin writing immediately. Do not overprepare. These concrete items let you run the first test and observe real output quickly, so you can iterate. Now you move into the core process. Craft a 1-line prompt that states the objective, the tone, and any constraints. Run Tool 1 using mode write, set length 150 to control scope, and pass tone with your chosen word. Once the tool returns text, read it for function and voice. Highlight 3 sentences that fit your goal. Make sure to preserve the meaning while tightening language. Repeat this loop until the draft communicates clearly and matches the intended tone without extraneous wording. To finish, edit the selected sentences for flow and clarity, fixing grammar and choosing precise words. You should aim for a single cohesive paragraph. Save the final result as Tool 1 output, TXT, and create a timestamped version for rollback. If the output is off-topic or fragmented, try one fix. Loosen constraints or increase length by 50 and rerun. If that still fails, simplify the prompt to 1 explicit instruction. These steps close the process and give you a reliable trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.